What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And as you can tell by the title, we're here and good to go for another car wash fundraiser. This one is for the homies over at 2 Exclusive. It's a good cause for this one. I'll go ahead and throw it in the description below, as well as a link to them on their social media and the event page itself. But yeah, we're lined up. They're washing cars already. Looks like it might rain, but I'm here for the support anyway. If it rains, it rains, whatever. But let me go ahead and get out and start shooting some cars real quick, and yeah. I don't know how the sound's gonna come out because I'm probably gonna have to put music over this, but they're definitely pretty clean. Looks like they just kind of getting started now. Let me know what car is your favorite too, by the way. This one looks pretty clean. What's up, baby? Right. Homie over here working. I'm trying to get the cars as they come in as well. Got another Ultima over there I have to check out. Alright, let him work. Excuse me. He said he sold his wheels. I didn't see it in the angle, but let's take a look. Oh, yeah, I did not see that when I walked by. The pain, but he said he got something in motion, so watch the master at work. Supposed to have some homies showing up as well, so wait for them to show up. Look who it is. Ryan showing up. I was here for a couple minutes, so he's right behind me. Lining up, he just showed up. Yeah, it's starting to rain. You go. Let him go. That way I ain't got to jump right back in. But yeah, nice little turnout so far, especially when it just legit started. So Mr. Speed Zone. Alright, talk about that timing. Like, it just started coming down. It ain't bad yet, but it's coming down a lot more. So I'm gonna chill out in the car for a minute and get back out there once it kind of passes, because it's just Florida, that's what it does. So just hang tight. That's pretty dope. Feeling that. The rain pretty much stops. We over here away from everybody, but about to go ahead and get some of these cars. This squad just pulled in together. This definitely caught my eye though. When he rolled in, that stance, the sticker on the wheel, like, oh. And look at that. All that is dope. Make sure you follow.
I don't want to say something.
Yeah, exactly.
too many people modifying that generation or that model. Hey, yo, what's up? That timing though. What's up? How you doing? Hello. Looks great. Looks great. You're welcome. Yeah, what you guys think? Eclipse. So freaking clean. Moving on. It's cool that the rain stopped completely. Oh yeah, we got Yankee here too. They rolling out. Making room for more crews to come in. Then the rest of the two exclusive that's been here. That's dope. Dope. It's maxing. And we got Bandit rolling up. What up? Everybody airing out on them. Fresh and clean. He in line. Yeah. Those fog lights is dope. Alright, so the meet's still going on. I'm probably going to stay for a little bit longer, hanging out, talking with people. But that's pretty much it for the video. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Definitely check out the links in the description. And as always, have a good one. Peace.